Hi everyone, today we're unboxing my new IXIL silencers for my Kawasaki Z750. As you can see, I bought these on eBay. They're supposed to arrive quite a while ago, but due to COVID-19 they've taken a long time to turn up. But anyway, I've got them now, so I'm just going to get into this box and see what we've got in here. The one's a 2003 Z750. It's red, and I've had it for since 2004. So quite a long time. I haven't really had any issues with the bike, but I saw these online and thought it might be nice to give it a bit of a birthday present. So it's fairly well sealed up in here, whatever's in here. And hopefully, with a bit of perseverance, we'll get them out. This is a system that goes up under the ducktails. You know, the normal Z750 just has a can on the side. Actually looks like two separate boxes here taped together. Separate the two boxes, I'd say. As you can see, the two boxes, and then we've got to get into one of them. Right, I've got my one of the boxes. I've got them here. Yep. Nearly cut the finger off. Nicely bubble wrapped. Right, there's one. IXIL silencer. Oh, look at that. It's got a nice dent in it there, hasn't it? Look at that dent. There's another little dent there. It's obviously made to be like that. But, yeah, I don't think that particular dent's supposed to be there. And in here, just looking at that box there. I think it has been opened up previously by the people that bought it off, so because they've been with it and retaped it up. As you can see, this tape's been cut before. Now, as you probably know, the Z1000 has dual silencers, one on each side, but the Z750 only came with one silencer. That looks pretty good, that one, doesn't it? And mirror image, those two. Got a E9 on there, that's a EU compliance symbol. It's some sort of European ADRs, I'd say. I'm going to try and get this one.
Huh?
See what's in this box. I didn't expect to be two more silencers in it because I only need two. Right, my tax invoice, my eBay purchases. It says loud pipes save lives, so it should be good. Anyway, what have I got here? Box of stuff. Pipes. And that's everything out of that box. Yeah, right, lots of stuff. Right, there's one of the brackets. Goes under the ducktail. I did previously have a homemade tail tidy on my bike, which worked pretty well, but in Queensland the police weren't real keen on it, so I put the standard mud guard back under the back of my bike. And my Z750, because Queensland registered, has been converted to single seat registration, so saves a fair bit on rego. And also I don't need to worry about rear pegs, and I don't have a rear seat, I've just got a cover on the rear end. Right, so there's another bracket for the under seat mountings, under the tail mountings. There's a big heavy one. So that's probably where the license plate attaches to those ones. This one goes in between. Yeah, so I think you can see there, that plate was mounted up under the seat. We'd also mount the two pipes at an angle going out like that. And that I'll leave it go in between there. What else we got? plastic pipe. There we go. So that one's going to connect to the standard exhaust system, just obviously clips on. Up the side of the bike, and then this one going to go across to the other side, to the other side, right hand, or left hand rather, pipe. Yeah, so this actually that we mount like this. Side, and then this one goes around to that one there, like that. Nice little carbon fibre heat cover on it. And hopefully some clamps to put it all together with. Yep, so there we go. One for there, and one for there, one for there, and one for there. Okay, some spaces. Now these ones here, I've got these because these suit the standard indicators for a Z750. Here's I'll bolt to those holes there, and sits up this way, doesn't it? This way, yep, so those holes there, so that the standard indicators can be refitted. This sits between the pipes at the rear, number plate hanging down underneath. This is where the standard number plate light attaches. You can tell by those holes, so that my number plate light will be above the light, shining down instead of underneath the light like it currently is. So there's some little bolts necessary to put that all together. Excellent. And fitting instructions, Kawasaki Z750 S 03 to 05, 06, 05, 03 to 05 are all the same. So. And some pictures of how it will look when it's fitted. Okay, so it appears that I've got everything as promised in the ad on eBay, and all I have to do now is probably this weekend put it on my bike, and I'll see if I can do a video of how it's fitted up to the bike and show you what that looks like.